Welcome to Merit Academic Year, a place for creative education.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I show you the solution of 5th week higher math assignment for the students of SSC Examine 2021. At first we see the assignment instruction. Dear students, in your screen you see the assignment instruction, that is your higher math third assignment from the chapter 8. The chapter name is trigonometry and our assignment headline is the solution of radian measurement and degree measurement related problem. Our assignment is Mr. Rahul in his regular morning work makes a round of a circular park of 2 kilometers circumference maintaining equal velocity. He starts his round at 6:45 am and finishing at 7:25 am in the morning. Now we have to give 3 answers from this question. Our first question is question number A. Determine the angle created at the center of the park with the distance which Mr. Rahul covers right at 7 am in the morning. Now question B is express the angle between minute and hour hands of the clock in radian at the time of his start of the work. And last question is express your logic whether the angle at the center will be changed or not if someone works the equal distance of the radius throughout the circumference of the circle. So dear students, this is our 3 questions. We have to answer this question in our assignment paper. So let's go, we see the assignment answer. SSC exam 2021 higher math assignment solution 5th week. At first we give the first question answer. So answer to the question number A. From the question given that the circumference of the park is 2 km. Now we multiply 1000 into 2 get 2000 meter. We just convert kilometer to meter. Now we need radius, so radius r equal to what? We know that circumference equal to 2 pi r. We know the value of pi, so from this equation we can easily find the value of r. So 2 pi r equal to 2000 and r equal to 2000 by 2 pi. So from this equation we get radius r equal to 318.31 meter approximately. Now total time is 40 minutes from 6:45 am to 7:25 am and the total time is 15 minutes from 6:45 am to 7:00 am. In the same velocity, the transfer distance is 40 minutes equal to 2000 meter. Dear student, there is a simple mistake. The value will be placed here. So 40 minutes equal to 2000 meter, 1 minute equal to 2000 by 40 meter and 15 minutes equal to 2015 by 40 meter. If we calculate, then we get 750 meters. Here circular arcs of the circle S equal to 750 meter. Created angle in the center theta, we need that value of theta. So theta equal to what? And we know theta equal to S by R. So created angle in the center theta equal to 750 by 318.31 radian. So if we calculate this, we get 2.36 radian approximately. Again we know that radian equal to 180 by pi degree. We just here convert radian to degree. So 2.36 radian equal to 2.36 into 180 by pi degree. If we calculate this, we get 135.22 degree approximately. So the created angle in the center of the park is 135.22 degree approximately. Our next question is question number B. Answer to the question number B, we know the hands of the hour is exist in 1 hour equal to 5 points or 5 s 10 1 hour equal to 5 students, so 6 hour equal to 6 multiply 5 equal to 30 students. Again, the hands of the hour is exist in 60 minutes equal to 5 point or students. So 1 minute equal to 5 by 60 students, and 45 minutes equal to 5 multiply 45 divided by 60 students. So if we calculate this, we get 3 into 3 by 4 students. At 6.45, the position of the hands of the hour is 30 plus 3 into 3 by 4 students. So we calculate this and we get 33.3 by 4 students. We know in 1 minute the hands of the minutes exist equal to 1 student. So at 6.45, the location of the hands of the minutes is 45 students. So at 6.45 am, the difference between minutes and our hands of the clock is 45 minus 33 into 3 by 4. If we calculate this, 11 into 1 by 4, and finally 45 by 4 students. Now we know 60 students equal to 360 degree, and 1 student equal to 360 by 60 degree, and finally 45 by 4 student equal to 360 multiply 45 by 4 divided by 60. If we calculate this, we get 67.5 degree. Again, we know that 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So 67.5 degree equal to pi gun 67.5 by 180 radian. So finally we get the value 1.18 radian. In our question, they said that to show the value in radian. So that's why we convert it from degree to radian. So the time of his starts of the work, the angle between minute and hour hands of the clock is 1.18 radian approximately. Now we see our last question, question number C. My logic is expressed in the below about the question expression. Suppose ABC is a circular. There's when you see that. So this is the circular ABC, and O is its center. O is its center, and the angle POB is on radian. Now we have to prove it that the angle of POB is constant. Draw a perpendicular line OA. Prove the perpendicular line OA intersects at the point A. Now arcs of the circle AB equal to 1 by 4 of its circumference. So equal to 1 by 4 cross 2 pi r. We know that the circumference equal to 2 pi r. So finally we get pi r by 2. Arcs of the circle PB equal to radius r, that is given in our question. So finally we know angle POB divided by angle AOB equal to arcs of the circle PB and arcs of the circle AB. So angle AOB equal to arcs of the circle PB divided by arcs of the circle AB multiply angle POB. So finally if we put the value, then we get r by pi r by 2 cross on right angle. This is on right angle because OA is radius and OB is the perpendicular line of OA. So finally we get 2 by r right angle. As if right angle and pi are constant, so the angle POB is constant. The angle at the center will not be changed if someone works the equal distance of the radius throughout the circumference of the circle. So dear student, this is our answer. I hope you will be understand it and complete your assignment successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.
Please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon.